Yum, 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 yum. How's this? Closer. Okay, I'm going closer. Ah. Oh, damn, that's actually really good too. Okay, I'll write that down as well. Oh my god, that's really good, dude. Yeah. Overlay. Oh, frick. By Vox himself, a virgin. And bam. You know, and then pew pew pew. Hey, pretty good, pretty cool. Hey, poo 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 poo. And oh, spoilers. Yum 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 yum. Jajan. Oh, chat going well. It has to load a bit. I'm sorry. It has to load a bit. I'm not gonna. You didn't hear from me. No, I didn't say anything. Not to me. Hey, hi, heyo. Hey, hello. Hi, Mello. Slugface. Okay. Thank you so much for the raid. Oh, okay. What am I trying to say? God. You know what I mean. You're gonna be like, I don't know. Fuck you. God damn it, Kyo. What? Oh, I see what you mean. You know, it's not. Okay. All right, perfect. Customization. Search for another channel's live stream. Technology is not my thing. Cool. Second day a bit. Thank you. I have a great personality. Oh shoot. You know what? No. Yo. I don't think I had. Okay, no, but yeah, thank you so much for the love. Gamper. Gamberimasu. Thank you. Yeah, okay. Moving on. Yum. I just saw something. I'm gonna fix that as well. So, I'll heal. See you later, my villains.